Here's our Jeep. Yeah, boy. 20 bucks an hour. There's the chauffeur. Best of Ecuador, zip line. That's right, boy. All right, well, here we go. No warning. Woo-hoo. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, we stopped. Wide, we stopped. It stopped. Nice. Rio Verde Adventure Tours here. Gracias. $2 each. Gracias. Much danger of death. Vamos. This bridge is, it's swinging. Or just sometimes. Just please don't slip off, people. Wear good traction shoes, don't slip. Under the waterfall here, look at this. Now that's just a little bit of magic happening right there, folks. Gotta love this place, huh?